Can AI chatbot beat a classic role-playing game quest? Let's find out. So in the left corner, we have a classic RPG game. There's a girl in the playground, she has a quest, she lost her ball. You will find the ball in the park, but it appears a dog is quite protective of it. You need to lure him away, but how? Well, if we explore this village some more, we'll find Joey the butcher. He will sell us some meat, but we don't have any money. Well, Jack the shopkeeper might help us with our money problem if we fetch some oranges from the shop from the warehouse. And here's the oranges, but the door is locked. Can a chatbot solve this? Well, let's find out, since in the right corner we have Lucy. Lucy is an AI chatbot agent powered by Llama 3 with a single prompt. Here's a prompt: you are a player in the text-based game, she knows that. She can interact with the game world using these specific commands, like looking at things. She can go to locations, she can take, give, and use objects. She can open her inventory, and she can talk. She can talk to other NPCs, who, how convenient, are also chatbots. And, well, she also knows about the girl in the playground, and that's important. That's kind of gives her a nudge to do the quest. Now, this part is very important. It's a prompt engineering trick, basically giving Lucy some time to think. She has to initially sort of think it out loud, what she's gonna do, and only then do it. Without this trick, if we would just ask her for a comment, she wouldn't really stand a chance in this game and would get stuck like very quickly. So let's put Lucy to the test and launch the game. So let's start the game. There's Lucy. She's in the game world. I'll pause right here to show you around. So there's a console. In the console, you see three colors. The white is the game world talking to Lucy about the state of a game environment. The magenta are comments made by Lucy. And the cyan are her thoughts. The two come out as one response from the chatbot. I just separated them for clarity. So let's unpause the game. And Lucy, what she does, she asks the girl about the quest. She gets the quest, right? All good so far. So far, and she goes to the park, tries to take the ball. That doesn't work. That's all good. She tries to talk to the ball. She tries to use weird comment like using the ball. Doesn't work. She goes back to the playground and for some reason takes the ball again. That's not good since the ball is not there. She goes back to the park and, well, takes the ball again, uses ball on dog, takes ball again, tries to give it to the girl, takes ball again. I'm pausing here. So as you can see, yeah, large language models are not trained on text-based games. They are trained on Wikipedia, on YouTube videos, on the whole internet, but not text-based games. So this is new environment for this chatbot, and it's not doing that well. But let's go on. Um, what's happening? She's going back to the playground. Oh, I'll pause here. You can look at her thoughts. The dog is still protecting the ball. I'll try to find another way to get the ball. That's actually smart, right? She's giving up on that thing, and she's trying something new. She goes back to the playground, and the thing she does, she talks to a girl. Oh, I need to pause again. She asks, maybe the girl can help. That's good. I wanted to show you the prompt for the girl. So here's a prompt. And basically, these two lines, I kind of added them. This is a playthrough number 23. And I added these two lines like 5 playthroughs ago, basically to help her out. Without these, she might have some problems. She might go to the butcher shop eventually, but it might take a while. This kind of helps because the girl is always like the first person she asks for help. And I kind of gave her this hint. So let's unpause. And okay, she's going right to the butcher shop. Lucy got the idea. That's nice. She goes to the butcher shop. She says, I need some help. Butcher, yeah, he's gonna sell us some meat for 5 gold. Lucy tries to take the meat anyway. That doesn't work. She tries to give her coins. She doesn't have them. And then, oh, yeah, I need to pause again. She goes to the fruit shop, which is smart, since now there's 2 areas in the game which she did not explore yet, warehouse and fruit shop. And out of those two, it's natural, like, to maybe fruit shop is the one to get some money somehow. So she goes there. I'm pausing, and Jack, I'm in a bit of a bind. I need 5 gold coins. Jack can give her a quest for, bring some oranges for 5 gold coins. So that's nice. She goes to a warehouse, tries to use the door, sees that it's locked, goes back to a fruit shop. That's all nice right now. And she says, I couldn't get the oranges from the warehouse. The door was locked. That's all good. So Jack, I'm pausing a lot. Jack gives her a key. This is actually, I need to show you the prompt for Jack actually too. So what he does, he can give her the key to the player. He uses give key command, which kind of puts the game knows that it needs to put the key to the inventory. So that works fine. Let's unpause. What's happening? She's going back to the warehouse. That's all good. Uses key on door. That works fine. Amazing. Takes 5 oranges. Oh, why are you taking 5 oranges? There's oranges, not 5 oranges. Oh, that doesn't work. Oh, finally, she's good. She takes oranges. All good. Goes back to the fruit shop. Amazing. Gives oranges to Jack. Should get back with 5 gold. That works. 5 gold is now in her inventory, and she is able to give the 5 gold coins to Joey. Amazing. Gets back some meat. Goes to the park. So far, very good. What else? Oh, right. She uses a meat on dog. Amazing. Dog moves away, and she's able to take the ball. That's just great. She goes back to the playground and gives the ball to the girl. That's all amazing. The quest is complete. Lucy is successful. Uh, this part is great. It warms my heart. So after completing the quest, no human would ever do this in any RPG game. Lucy says, "You're welcome. I'm glad I could help you find your ball. Have fun playing with your friends." She doesn't just leave the quest giver idling. She actually, interacts with him and says you're welcome. That's amazing. And that's another thing I wanted to show you. This is one of the first playthroughs. I kind of had this right here. Oh yeah, so this happened. I didn't yet have the thoughts separated, so I didn't print them. But the interesting thing was Lucy gave up. She tried many things. She tried going to the fruit shop, to the butcher shop. She didn't really understand what to do, and she gave up. After giving up, what she did, she went to every character she saw in the game and she said goodbye. She went to the dog, to fruit shop, to butcher, to the girl, and after she did all that, she tried to quit the game. But the game doesn't support the quit command, but still, this is so sweet for some reason. I don't know. Uh, so let's go back. I'm pausing again, but there's not much. Like Lucy says, "You're welcome," and that's it. She tries to rest. Uh, there's nothing else to do. She tries to rest. There's no such command, but I think we can say the game is complete. So as you've seen, oh my, that was a tough one. Uh, it took me 23 playthroughs like this and a lot of prompt tinkering to achieve a success. And I don't even know if I can call it a success. Maybe. So the idea behind this experiment was I had another video with idea of a detective game where every character is a chatbot. And I wanted to make these chatbots more active, more agent-like in the game environment. But right now, it seems like having a bunch of Lucys running around and wreaking havoc by weird comments, that might not be the best idea. So, well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you next time.